our Prime Minister said the right thing. What he says is truth. And he cannot come out and say anything without really doing investigation to know what is coming about to say whether it's true or false. This is why I believe in his talks. Before he come out and say that Ohanese are crying, that nobody attend Ohanese, so-called Ohanese Igbo meeting. Before he came out and talk it, the thing have already gone out of hand. And it's true that he's saying. Because Ohanese and Igbo, they can fool people at a time, but they cannot fool all the people all the time. Ohanese and Igbo is not for Igbos. They are not for Biafrans. They are for their paymaster, Fulani, and the people, their followers, whom they have used spell to hold. That spell have been broken by the spirit of Biafrans. Have broken their spell, so their followers, their eye have opened to know that Ohanese is leading them into the pit, into grave. Therefore, all of them are running away for their dear life. Because at the end, Ohanese will end up disaster. And they're ending up now. And the Ohanese and Igbo leaders or executive have seen that they are falling. They have to come out and cry out that nobody is coming again. You will know the pain, you know the feeling, you know how they have fallen, how people have left them, that they are not able to hide it again. They have to speak out. And this will prove to people that Ohanese are not in control of Biafra. They are not leaders of Biafra. They are not speaking for Biafra. They are on their own. And this will sound a warning to their paymaster, the Fulanis, and other tribes of Nigeria. And whosoever is doing anything, business, any dealings with Ohanese and Igbo to stop Biafra or to come out to be championing Igbo president in Nigeria, that person is on his own. It's illegal. But
are you not sure Ohanese is the biggest group in the Igbo land?
Biggest group in Igbo land. Who constituted them? Do we Igbo constitute them? Tell me the authority that empowered them to be said that represented Igbos. Are they elected? Are they appointed? Bunch group of people. Bunch group of people. Money mongers, Judas, Ekan, Koda and Abira gather themselves together, push themselves front. In the name of Ohanese and Igbo, they are representing Biafra or they are representing Igbos. Taking it to loot the Nigerian government. They use it to loot the Nigerian government. In every election, they will not understand Ohanese and Igbo. Okay, look at it. After 2011 election, when Jonathan won, the so-called Ohanese and Igbo organized themselves and went to Aso Rock and told Jonathan, we are the people that vote you in. We organize, we campaign and vote you in. Because Jonathan have won. In 2015 election, when the handwriting have seen that the West, the Yorubas, the North, the Ariwas and Fulani have ganged up against Jonathan to sweep him off out of office with their broom of APC. Where was Ohanese and Igbo? Why can't they come that time and say, Jonathan, we stand with you, we vote you in, as we do in 2011? Where we are there? Do you see their brake lights? To show you that they are nothing. They are nothing but beggars. They are nothing but looters. They are nothing but 419. They are nothing but hungry people who don't want to learn how to do any business. Igbo people, no matter what happens, we are known by our business entrepreneur, our attitude to the self-reliance. But tell me how many organizers, so-called organizers, that group have something tangible to do. How many of them? This is what the eyes of the people have opened. And meanwhile, finally, organizers and people hand themselves over to Fulani. Fulani cast spell on them to do whatever Fulani like. And that spell affect the people that are following organizers and people. Now the eyes of the people that are following organizers and people have opened. God has removed that spell out of them. Organizers and people don't have followers again. And through that means, God may, if organizers and people will, their president and that man called Iwanyamu, that overweight man that's suffering obesity, whatever he's suffering, look like hippopotamus. Until maybe, as people are disastering him now.
Is he not working? Is he another president? Is he not working?
I don't know him. Where is his own industries? When you ask Igbo to go now, you see Igbo, don't go. Develop. Where did he develop? In any part of Biafra land or Nigeria? Where did he develop? But when people, they're demolishing people's property, the one they said they want to go, say no, don't go. Stay, develop, wherever you are. Like a Bode George, one of the chief train of PDP, I think retired naval officer. When Igbo people, their property were demolishing in Lagos here, this Honorable Bode George come out and tell the Igbo people truth. You better go back to your place and develop your place. If you do your investment in your place, nobody will come and destroy it anyhow. The same way will come and say, no, don't go, stay. Develop where you are. Develop Lagos. How many development Iwonya will have outside Igbo land? Even in Igbo land, south, east, Biafra land, how many development Iwonya will have? Have nothing. Where is Hadel Aneni, the white man brought in Nigeria? Where is that white man? Where is Hadel Aneni that came into Nigeria, I think 1978 or 77? Yeah. Now, very soon, if the spell is out of their eyes, they would like to run back. By that time, to come into Biafra, we will look them with the second eyes to know whom they are. That time we examine them to know whom they are. You understand what I'm saying? So our able Prime Minister is right by saying what he says. People are going, and I pray people will go, even to their own extent, their own children. We say, Daddy is too much. What you are doing, if we are committing against our people, is too much, Daddy. Their children will take them safe.
So Samekwa is right, you know, mocking you for no, but I don't know in support of the Biafrans. They are not in support of the agitation for Biafrans.
No, you see why? They are not agitating for Biafra because they are Biafran Nigeria. We have Biafran of Biafrans. We have Biafran of Nigeria. Like Paul said in the scripture that he is the Hebrew of Hebrews from the tribe of Benjamin. We have Biafrans of Biafra and we have Biafrans of Nigeria. And Biafrans of Nigeria will be scream, will be thoroughly scream any day they want to become Biafra of Biafrans.